Welcome. This is a beginner's yoga active leg stretching routine. In this class, you may want to use blocks and pillows, so be sure to check the description below for alternative props if you don't have those on hand. Go ahead and grab those, and we will meet back here on the mat. Let's begin in tabletop, wrists under shoulders, knees under hips. Dropping the belly, inhale, take your gaze up for cow pose. Exhale, rounding through the spine, take your gaze down for cat. Continue syncing breath with movement. Come back to a neutral spine. Option 2, place the blocks underneath your hands, tucking the toes as you send the hips up for down dog. Take your time here, walk it out, bending one knee, bending the other, or bending both. No worries about your alignment just yet, just allowing the body to get familiar with the pose. Maybe even just pressing the mat away from your hands, away from your feet. Allowing the head to be heavy, no tension in the neck. On an inhale, stepping to the top of the mat, place your blocks on the highest setting for half lift, flat back. Feel free to take your half lift higher here, hands to thighs. As you exhale, bend the knees, take your fold. Allowing the knees to support your torso here. Inhale to standing, hands reaching up overhead. Exhale, heart center. Inhale, hands reach up. Exhale, bend the knees, fold. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale to standing, hands reach overhead. Exhale, heart center. Inhale, hands reach up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, half lift. As you exhale, step the right foot back. Embrace the wiggles and shakes here, keeping the left knee stacked over the left ankle. Lifting the torso, hands reach up overhead, high lunge. Full inhale. As you exhale, open up towards your right. Right toes pointed towards the right side of the mat, and keeping that right heel in line with the left. On an inhale, transition to high lunge. Take your time here, be strong. As you exhale, plant the hands to the blocks. Step the right foot forward. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale to standing, hands reach up. Exhale, heart center. Inhale, hands reach up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, step the left foot back. Take your time here. Inhale for high lunge, hands reach up. Full inhale. Exhale, open up towards your left for warrior two. Tucking the tailbone here, almost like you're between two walls, lengthening through the spine, keeping the shoulders stacked over the hips, pressing the mat away from you. Once again, be strong. Inhale, transition to high lunge. Once again, take your time, embrace the wiggles and shakes. As you exhale, plant the hands to the blocks. Half lift, inhale. Exhale, fold. Inhale to standing. Exhale, heart center. Move the blocks, take your feet hip width distance. Observing what's pressing into the mat. Begin to shift your weight into your right foot. Keeping your focus into that right foot. Begin to lift the left heel. Engaging the foot, lifting the toes, and taking that left heel towards your left hip, keeping the left knee in line with the right. Hands to heart center or keep them at your waist. If you're having difficulty here balancing, gently grab a wall or a chair without completely using it as a crutch. Drawing the heel as close to the hip as possible. On an inhale, reaching the knee as high towards the chest as you can. Exhale, draw the heel forward, straightening the leg, keeping that foot flexed. Reach it as high as you comfortably can. You may be where I am, you may be even lower or higher, that's okay. In time, we'll get there. With control, doing one bicycle here, flowing through each stretch, heel to hip, knee to chest, straighten the leg. Plant the foot on the mat. Go ahead and shake out the right foot. Take a moment. And when you're ready, we'll go to the opposite side. Shifting your weight into that left foot, finding your balance. Gently lifting the right heel, flexing the foot. Drawing the heel towards your hip. Use your muscles here, use your strength. Inhale, reaching the knee towards the chest. Exhale, draw the heel forward, straightening the leg. Reach it as high up as you comfortably can. With control, doing one bicycle here. Heel to hip, knee to chest, straighten the leg, plant the foot, go ahead and shake out that left foot. Take a moment. Inhale, hands reach up overhead. Exhale, take your fold, bend the knees. Inhale, lifting the torso gently. As you exhale, planting your seat on the mat. Come to laying. We'll plant the feet. Knees are bent. Begin to rock the knees side to side. Just observing what's pressing into the mat. Go ahead and release, hugging the knees towards the chest as close as you can comfortably get them. Option to rest here or grab the outer edges of the feet, bottoms of feet to touch. You can rock side to side if that feels good today. Release, taking the feet to the bottom of the mat. Hands to your sides, palms facing up. Taking this moment to just be, letting go of any stress in the body, any tension in the legs, the upper back. Observing all the work you just did. Observing the body cooling down. Take your time. Go ahead and begin to wake up the body, wiggling the fingers and toes, rocking the head side to side, bending the knees. Go ahead and roll over towards your right. Full breath. Inhale. Exhale. Gently come to seated. Inhale, hands up overhead. Exhale, heart center. Thank you for joining. Namaste. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it below, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any updates on future videos and live streams.